Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some giveaway winners that we gotta announce. First off, I want to thank you all in the door for participating in the giveaways and for all the comments. I also want to thank you all and ask for forgiveness for the delay of the announcement of the winners. All I can say is that life shows up and it happens. Let's just keep it real, right? So with that being said, we have two developers that we're giving away watch faces for. The first one is going to be for MW Design. The name of the watch face was called OverCharge. OverCharge was nice. I thought it was very unique. I thought it was awesome. The video was awesome. I had to give that developer 2 thumbs up on that one. He got really creative with it. So we got 2 winners for that one. Then we got PW. We had 2 different videos that were part of giveaways. The first one is going to be for PW52, PW53. The second one is going to be for PW31 and PW50. Cool? All right, so let's go ahead. Let's announce these winners now. Don't forget, now you got to hit me in my email. I'm going to leave my email in the description box, and I'm going to leave my email also at the bottom of the screen so you all can email me right away so I can send you the watch face codes right away, like tomorrow. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's start off with MW Design OverCharge, and the winner is going to be Bill Will. Congratulations, Bill and Bill. Listen, I don't think it's going to burn much battery life at all. Just give it a try, right, and see what happens. Vincent, you know I can't pronounce your last name, but I appreciate all your support and your love on the channel. So congratulations to the winners of the OverCharge watch face. Now, for PW52, PW53, our winners are going to be Michael Fournier, if I pronounced that right, and then we have William Pierce. Congratulations, you all are winners of PW52 and PW53. And then for the second Papy watch face, winner announcement is going to be for PW31, PW50, and the winners are Steve Jordan and Scott Norris. Congratulations, you guys. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for your patience, and as always, I really appreciate the love that you're showing on this channel. We are going to do some different things, so stay tuned for that. I gotta come with it. I gotta bring the noise. We gotta do a question and answer video. We gotta do one. Cool? All right, you all have a great night. Thank you all again for participating, and we'll see you all at the next video. Take care.